video. Today I've got another vacuum unboxing. So let's just get into this one. Get all this shrink wrap off the box. In here should be another commercial tub bag. I've had something similar before, but I haven't had this one. This is the one I originally wanted to get. They were quite expensive, if I remember rightly, on eBay and stuff at the time. What way did it open the box? Anyway, really. But yeah, let's get into it. That's back off there. Right, okay. So let's just move this back a bit. Came from another collector and refurber. So yeah. So let's have a look at it. Some cardboard in the box. So first out we've got the hose for it, which is quite dirty. That needs a good old wash. Got no end on it as well. Got a vacuum end, but no hose end. Ah, well, we do have a hose end actually. There we go. That wasn't pictured. That's a nice surprise, I suppose. Probably can tell what it is by that hose end. But yeah, let's take a look at the machine. It's quite big. It's bigger than the previous version I had. But yeah, here we go. Here is the Taski vacumat 12. And yeah, let's have a look. Not really seen one of these before. I've seen the, obviously I've seen the, I think it was a borer. Is it the borer I had? I can't remember. Which was the same kind of design. It was a bit smaller. It didn't have this section in it. And that was pretty much the same, I'd say. But obviously this one's a wet and dry. This one's also hardwired as well. The other one had a plug kind of system and a cable. It's 1000 watt. So let's open it up. Bigger, obviously bigger motor housing, obviously because it's a bypass motor in there. I think you could use this for dry vacuuming. Obviously this float is huge. Don't really know why they would need such a big float assembly for this vacuum, because the buckets on it is huge as well. So I don't think these hold a lot really. But yeah, I want to have a look at this kind of float. That obviously just comes out there, some kind of foam filter. Yeah, I reckon you could actually, if you wanted to, just put a bag in it and use this. It's got a foam filter in there. It should have a thing under there, but obviously you can make something up out of a HEPA flow or whatever. But yeah, you can just put a HEPA flow in there, they fit, and then just use it as a dry vacuum really. Maybe put something over this, like a bit of cart paper or something. But yeah, there's the float assembly. There's inside the tub, and yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. It's a lot heavier than the other one as well. Obviously it's bypass, so it's going to have more weight to it. But if I remember rightly, these are very easy to get apart. You don't even really need screwdrivers. Well, you do, but there's no screws to actually undo. hose goes on, oh, well, I'll say the hose goes on different to the other one, but this thing swivels around. That thing was at the top on the other one. But yeah, cable seems a lot longer as well. Not the original plug, but we can just put a new one on that, black one. Blend in more, so we'll push the switch in, we'll see how loud it is. Probably just going to have a generic kind of wetback sounding motor in it really. So let's just plug it in quick and see how it sounds. Runs alright to me. Phone's ringing in the background, so ignore that. Yeah, I can just put a Henry bag in it really, and just use it as a dry vac. Nothing's really stopping me. Shame I can't get the actual filter module these are meant to have. That would make life a lot easier. Than having obviously that big thing in there. Make it a lot lighter as well, that thing inside. Bloody heavy. Shame I didn't keep the Taski floor tool as well that I had. That would be nice to have for this. I do however have the black version that I can use on the, well, that I use on that pneumatic in the background, so literally pretty much the same thing. Yeah, works really well actually. I'm quite pleased with it. Should have a squeegee tool as well, 38mm type thing, but yeah, you can just use a pneumatic one if you want. So yeah, there we go. There's that. Let's throw these ones away. Yeah, as I said, I'm happy with this one. I was in two minds whether to get it or not. I'm glad I did, so I can just see what it's like compared to the other one. Slightly taller, sounds around the same as well. But yeah, there we go. The cable, if you don't know, just, well, you should know, you just see me unwrap it, but it wraps around there. I just used to unplug it on my other one. Obviously, it was plugged in at the back. The other one had a PTO socket on the front as well, but I've never used that. But anyway, there we go. There is the Taski vacumat 12. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.